Hi everyone, this is Justin from 117 West Spirits, and today we are going to learn how to make a gin buck. This was a super popular summer cooler back in the 1920s. You just head out to the desert or go on a picnic, take a bottle of gin, some lime, and some of your maybe homemade at the time, or in our case, Bundaberg ginger beer, and you just build this one right in the glass. Something that is referred to in the cocktail industry as a built drink. A lot of times people say you should actually mix drinks that have citrus in them, but in this case, you can get away without doing it because it's really just a splash of citrus. This is also a great drink to make at home because you don't really need a lot to get it done, and you can use just items you find growing, if you're here in California, on trees or at the local supermarket. So fill up your glass with some ice, and we're gonna use 1.5 ounces of gin. That's our 117 West Univer style gin. If you're at home, the thing you could do is literally just squeeze half a lime into your drink, and hopefully most of it gets in the glass and not, spraying your significant other in the face. But you could also, if you have some juiced lime, you just add a squirt of that, and then you top it off with ginger beer and add a lime wedge for garnish, and there you go, a gin buck. This is our first request from Ann Zerlot, one of our most enthusiastic 117 West customers. So cheers, this one's for you, Ann.